Hi, my name's Mark Smith, but my athletes know me as Coach Bunky, and I've been coaching sports for over 20 years. 7 years ago, I found a sport that changed my athletic life forever: disc golf. If you're someone who likes to be outside, experience nature, take walks in the woods, hang out with friends and family outside, and like to throw frisbees, this sport is for you. This course is all disc golf all the time. We'll go over the rules, the terminology, the tools, the techniques, everything that your athlete needs to know about this amazing sport. They'll learn what a putter is. They'll learn what a driver is. They'll learn how to throw a backhand. They'll learn how to throw a forehand. Everything that they need to know to engage with and fall in love with this sport. So at the end of the course, when they're stepping up to their first tee box and throwing their first disc, they'll know exactly what to do. Each week of this 18-week course, your student will receive a new skill lesson, an exercise with drills so that they can master that new skill, and a knowledge check in the form of a quiz, so that by the end of the course, your student will be proficient in talking about and playing disc golf. And if they're anything like me, you won't get them to stop talking about it or playing it. So come along with me as we walk through learning about the greatest sport on the planet, basically disc golf.